Enjoy your stay.
Sup, bro?
Oh, what's up, bro? I actually smuggled a bunch of stuff in my booty.
Oh, sweet. What'd you bring?
I got a bunch of hangers so we can hang our clothes.
Okay.
I brought a pillow for you, too.
Pillows are included in the cell.
Well, this wheelchair. And some crutches in case we get hurt in here.
What did you bring of actual value?
Well, my neighbor's actually a cop. I brought him too. He said he could help us get out of here.
Bet! Pull him out!
Yeah, I got him right here. Ow! Ow!
My dad's the cop.